What do we got here? Snake wine and scorpion. Oh yeah. That's the... Cheers. Well, that will warm you up.
Yeah.
But I'm already hot.
Yeehaw.
There, now eat your jackfruit.
It's not jackfruit.
Whatever.
She's got the seeds all over his shit.
Ow.
Where? Your tooth? Let's pull it out. Ah. Ah. Let me pull it. Come on. No jackfruit or dragon fruit for you.
What?
There's a lot of craziness going on there.
That's what all went was.
Around, he said, okay, it's feeding time. I'm still trying to get more experience.
It's facing me now. You want to come in? Just get behind me. Woo! My dad's gonna put this on YouTube. Really?
YouTube?
Yes. I'm a YouTuber.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have any subscribers?
I just started actually, but I started like a month ago.
How much subscribers?
I have, well, no, I don't even think it was a month ago. I think it was shorter. But I have like, I think 7 subscribers. Mostly on the family videos we've been taking. Okay, yeah, you should be scared.
You can run.
Be careful, Lily.
Very easy. Inside the tunnel have the light. Don't worry about that.
I just have. It's cool down here.
That's right.
It's cool.
Okay.
It's dark now. Yeah, it's like I cannot see my hand in front of my
Go
face.
ahead.
It hurts my neck here. I know.
Okay.
I should just squat when I stop.
Oh, I hope we're almost done. This is getting started.
Okay, we get up here. This way. Up. Back this way. Yeah.
Wait.
You have camera?
No.
Okay, you get up this way. Yeah.
What's so good about GoPro 5?
It's a lot better quality than a GoPro 1, GoPro 2, GoPro 3, GoPro 4. So this is like the best one.
Wow. And then get stick.
That's one named sticking crab.
See.
Sticking crab. The second one, flipping arbit. Put the man over there. You're falling down and flip it. Your arbit you flip it. And then the next one named rolling crab. Here, right in the middle. Woo! Just in case the GI falling down, they wouldn't like the hamburger. That's why the GI named hamburger crab. And the next one named window crab, because it's shaped like the window.
Window trap.
You see? Similar over here. Similar too. Folding chair. No way out. The fish trap. Okay, look at the man here. When you step on, you get stuck because of the hook. No way out. This is a recycle from bomb fragment. Yeah. Right now we go to the nest to see how they recycle. Yeah. And here, seashore trap. Wow. See?
That's bomb fragments.
And we see here the blacksmith. You see the man over here? Pumping air, blowing the air, burning charcoal. And turn to be the spy. You see? You ask me. Recycle. From the bomb fragment.